Guys, so we're in Arizona right now, and we're dude, I'm leaving that in.
No.
Yeah. All right, guys, we're in Arizona right now, and we're on our way to this junkyard that was on Roadkill called Hidden. What is it?
Hidden Valley Auto Parts.
Hidden Valley Auto
This
Parts.
is on Roadkill?
Yeah, it was on
Oh,
Roadkill.
that's some gangster shit.
So yeah, we're on our way there. I'll get back to you when we get in there. Guys, we're in. There's a ton of cars. This is crazy because there's nothing like this in California. Usually when you go to a California junkyard, there's like 3 cars and they're all picked to shit, but they have like intact Thunderbirds and C10s and stuff, so might be taking some stuff home. Let's see. Dude, they got a lot of Thunderbirds around here, huh? Dude, this shit still has like the whole interior in it. Dude, this is crazy. To see so many complete cars like this, well, complete, but dude, is that a, oh, it's a 4-door, fuck, what do you call these? I forget, 4-door. What's up? 65 Belvedere wagon. My brother used to have a 4-door. Yeah, this thing's got all the trim on it and everything. Oh, they got a duster out here too. I mean, kind of some piece of the engine. Oh no, this is a Valiant. It's a Valiant. Dude, it's crazy how many complete cars there are here. I'm looking for C10s though, or Chevelles, but I doubt I'll see any Chevelles. Oh, this is the Chevy stuff. Look at that's the Suburban. It's just over here. Oh, dude, let's see if it still has any stuff that I can use. Oh, the bunny. And the dash is fucked. It's got all the seats in it though. Oh, and I think that's the front bumper right there. Anything I can use though? Anything I can use? Dude, it's a shame that some of these cars are like this, dude. Like, people out in Cali would fucking scoop these up and fix them. That's a Camaro. There's a Firebird over there. That Bourbon is my generation, but it's not. Dude, look at that one. That one's all cut up. I think this is an Impala. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. That 61 Impala, and then someone had their day with this one, cut it all up. Shout out to Modern Greaser. Your C10's over there. Dude, I wonder if they have fenders for my truck. I mean, we brought a hood home from San Diego. Can we bring home a fender? Let's walk our way back there, dude. That's where they're all at. This is a Bel Air? Oh shit, I think so. It's crazy that it has all the trim on them. Dude, these cars are like so complete. Not sure what year service vehicles those are, but they look like army trucks. You feeling the heat, babe?
Yep, I'm feeling the burn, you know what I'm saying?
Dude, I'm pretty sure those are Bel Air doors too. Dude, you come down here, you buy all this shit, make a fortune back home.
Maybe that should be our business.
We'd be out of business.
People do that shit though.
Yeah, I bet they do.
So like, do it. Just sell it on your website.
Not a bad idea.
Once you get a trailer,
C10, small window. Dude, there's not any of my generation. There's like Corvairs, Camaros, Monte Carlos. There's a Bel Air there that's been cut up. This Impala 4-door. Ah, shit. This one's all rusted. Oh, there's 57 over there. But they're all 4-doors, but it doesn't have the front fender. Damn, this would have been perfect too. Same color as my uncle's. The dash is still in there. There's more Bel Airs, but there's no like front fender or this is like, I don't know what year it is. Ill Belt. I mean the Suburbans. See, dude. Here we go. I found my truck. That's cool because it's a dually. Got Impalas and damn, dude, they don't have anything for my C10. That's a little
all
disappointing.
these cars are nothing for you, baby. What do you think?
No.
Oh, babe, look at this fucking bike.
Where? That's what you're excited about?
Let me get on that shit. I'll show you. Pick it up, baby.
But yeah, here's where we're at right now.
Get on this fucking school bus, fuck that shit up.
But yeah, here's where we're at, Hidden Valley Auto Parts.
Let's go.
It's just the back. Yeah, it was a Chevelle. I mean, dude, I can take these moldings. Dude, these work on my Chevelle. Okay, I might have found something. Yeah, dude, I need those.
They just lost them for you.
Yeah.
They're still intact, aren't they?
Yeah, dude, well, these are nice because they're original. But I think they should fit, right? I don't know. I'll look at them right now. That's a Camaro front clip.
There's a Camaro there, actually.
That's fucking sad, dude. That's got nice, dude. That's got nice shit on it too. It's still got all the. Someone took the headlight, whatchamacallit, but fuck. See, you don't have anything from my generation C10. If you have like a first gen or a square body, they got all kinds of shit for you. See, this has a dash in it. Yep. Damn. Dude, this is a fucking clean truck. The gas tank looks brand new. That's hilarious. Blazer, other C10 over there. Oh shit, dude. I think this is the one I need. Oh no, it's the other side, but that's fucking rotted on that side. Alright guys, we just left. Well, we just got out. It's so hot out there, but there's so many complete cars, but like no one's doing anything with them, which is crazy because in California, like I said earlier, like all these cars will be picked apart already. But yeah, if you're ever in Arizona, come down to Hidden Valley Auto Parts. They got some sick ass cars.